Welcome to the Two Moto Garage. It is 10 degrees here in Illinois, and I'm going to be modifying my Trident 660, small modifications, adding Becker and Hepco Orbit hardshell saddlebags, and also a Radiator Guard. That is a model year 2021. This is the before. So before saddlebags, and we're going to cut to the after in a second here. As you can see, it's still a little cold out here. 10 bolts later, and we have installed the Becker and Hepco saddlebags on the 2021 Trident 660. Now, it adds some dad points to my aesthetic, but overall, I'm 40. I'm getting to that age. So let's take a look. Here's the bike, and here are the bags, right? Again, adding some of that dad aesthetic, but you know what? I like to ride my bike for practical reasons, running errands, picking up food. So it gives me a sense of fulfillment when I could do that and not have to wear a backpack. Additionally, we've added this Radiator Guard. It has the 660 emblazoned on the front, $50 on Amazon, link in the description. Again, super easy to install, 4 bolts. Well, let's talk more about these Hepco and Becker bags. So, the nice thing about these bags is they're locked in place by a key, and if you turn that key, you can pull the bag off like a suitcase, just like that, right? And if you want to put them back on, they have this C-bow mounting system, which is very easy to use. All you do is place the case on the mounting rack and then push it down and then lock the bag in place. If you want to open the bag, really simple. You just turn the key, open the bag, and there you go. The only complaint I've seen on the internet about these bags is that they are a little small. So those are the mods that we did in this cold Illinois day. Have fun, enjoy, stay on the ground.